Crafting your brand positioning is important to define where your brand stands in the minds of your customers. Hello everyone, this is Christian Jerome de Guzman of the Ateneo Graduate School of Business to present the local application of a marketing concept, crafting brand positioning, with the chosen brand being Century Tuna. Here is the outline for brand positioning for Century Tuna. To start, Century Tuna is a well-known Filipino brand of canned tuna, providing healthy and convenient sources of protein for Filipino families since 1980. Century Tuna is owned by the company Century Pacific Food Incorporated. The company advocates a healthier lifestyle by providing the necessary nutrients such as a natural source of omega-3, protein, and many more. The primary target market of Century Tuna is first, people who want to achieve their dream body goals. Second is people who want to transform their body for the better. And third is people who want to live a healthy lifestyle. For Century Tuna's competition, it would be San Marino Tuna Flakes in Oil and Mega Tuna Premium Flakes in Oil. Here are the points of parity across all three brands. First is they are all sources of protein. They all have omega-3 DHA. They all state that they are a healthy alternative for a viand. They all have a vegetable oil base. And all of them are halal certified. For the points of difference across the three canned tuna brands, first is the price point, with Century Tuna having the cheapest price point at 33 pesos and 80 centavos for a 155-gram serving. Century Tuna also states that if you consume their product, you will achieve your dream body goals. Meanwhile, for San Marino Tuna Flakes in Oil, they differentiate by being siksik, sarap, and sulit. And for Mega Tuna Premium Flakes in Oil, they differentiate by being 100% pure tuna. As stated earlier, Century Tuna differentiates its brand as the canned tuna brand that could help people who consume their product achieve their dream body goals. Here are some of their marketing campaigns across the years. All of these campaigns exhibits that Century Tuna helped them have a fit and healthy body. Reiterating the point, Century Tuna's brand mantra revolves around becoming the best you ever and being able to transform for the better. It also says that if you think healthy, think Century Tuna. To summarize, the brand positioning of Century Tuna is that it is a canned tuna product that similarly provides a natural source of protein and omega-3, but differentiate as a product at an affordable price point that would help the consumer achieve their dream body goals. If you want to think healthy, think Century Tuna.